Good morning. We had a question about our Acuva water system and whether we still liked it or not. We installed this Acuva system back in 2022, May of 2022. So it's been over a year and we use it every day. We do like it. It seems to do pretty well. We even still have the original filter in there, which we probably need to get replaced at some point, but here, I'll show you. The filter works really well, but I think the only negative is that, see that pulsing there? And it actually does pulse on our lights as well. But that's probably the most annoying. We purchased the Acuva 2.0, so that's 2 liters per minute. And as you can see, it's not necessarily the fastest, but it's not the slowest either. When it does get up here, I do tend to rotate it a little bit because it does splash. You can kind of see if I don't do that, it is splashing. But not too bad. I have really good drinking water and pretty happy with it. We did install this unit with the pre-filter, which I think personally helps a lot on the taste of the water. I'm very particular about that chlorine-y taste, and I do believe that has helped quite a bit. So we also use a system before the water gets to the Acuva, and that's a Clear 2.0 water system that has 2 filters as well. It has a sediment filter and then a 1 micron filter. So we're filtering that in so all of the water in our water tank gets up to that 1 micron. And then just for drinking water, we use this. And I think that's like a 0.5 micron. So that system honestly has been doing great for us. Probably the fact that we have those 2 pre-filters has helped keep the Acuva filter from getting clogged up. And yes, it did include the shark bite do-jobby thing. So yeah. And the lighting isn't perfect in here, but I think that is the valve that you're looking at. That's a T valve that came with the unit. If I can get rid of that pulsing, that would be ideal. But ultimately, the filter has been doing exactly what it was intended for. So yeah, we would buy it again. I'll put links to all of these products in the description below. Hope this helps. Have a great day.